Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Mike with Specialist ID, and I wanted to show you a quick video on how you can make your very own custom badge buddies from the comfort of your own home. So a badge buddy is a role recognition ID card that shows who you are when you walk into the room. So this woman's badge buddy is MD, showing that she's the medical doctor. So when she walks into a room at a hospital or at a medical facility, everyone knows that she is the doctor. How do we do this? How do we make our very own badge buddies? It's super easy. Go to specialistid.com up here, and from there just click on the badge buddies. We have horizontal or vertical. I'm going to click that real quick, and then from there I'm just going to pick my favorite color and I'm going to enter my text. There's two lines to choose from. I'm going to choose Rescue Ninja. So I am a bad speller and a bad typer. So Rescue Ninja, it says it right there and it looks pretty good to me, but I think I'm going to split it into two lines instead of just one. And to me that looks a lot better, so I'm going to stick with that. From there I can just review the color, make sure it's what I want. There's no minimum to order, so if I just want one for myself, I can just order one for myself. It's super easy. Or if I'm ordering for my whole team or for a whole facility, the prices do drop as you order more and more. So I'm going to add this to cart. It's going to give me a quick second to review it, and I like the way it looks, so I'll go to checkout. Any special instructions or notes, just leave them right here and we will either get back to you or we'll just produce them as requested. And from there, just like you'd expect, you just enter your billing and shipping address. The default shipping is a $3.99 flat rate shipping charge. Orders over that will ship for free. Or I'm sorry, orders over $75 will ship for free. So the default shipping USPS first class is like a 2 to 6 business day delivery once they've been produced. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-380-6726, or you can also email us at sales@specialistid.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Get a hold of us. Let us know how we can help you make the badge buddy of your dreams. Have a great day. Thank you. And end.